Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about related rate of change. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to create about the ratio in here. So we have number 3 meters and the height. So we have 3 over h. The next one, we know that the base is about 12 multiplied by 3, we have 36 over the surface of the water in here. That's also about the small base, and that's about base. So, but because we want to find about how fast is the water level rising, that means about the height. So that means we need to convert about B in terms of H. So I will put this one go in here, H go in here. So we divide both sides by number 3. Now we know that this is about the trough. So this one we can see that this one that is about the right or the triangle, and the base that is about the rectangle. To find the volume of this one, we have V equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by H, because the height multiplied by the length in here, that is about like this. So we need to divide by number 2. So we have the area of the rectangle, or the triangle, sorry. Later that we multiply by the number 12 in here. So you got the volume of the trough. And now we know that the base that is about this one. So we simplify the numbers in here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one we have dv over dt equals to 12h. First, the derivative of h square, we have 2h, and number 2 with number 6 we have number 12. So on the question number 1, we want to find how fast is the water level. That is about this one. So we divide both sides by this number in here. So we can find the answer for question number 1. This one, we have this one in here. About h, that is about this number in here. So we simplify it, and we have 1 over 9, or maybe approximate 0.1, and the unit is about meters per minute. Question number 2. If the water is rising at this rate, and we have the height in here, so what the rate of water is being pumped? That means they want to find dv over dt. But be careful on the unit. This is about the cubic meters. This one they use about centimeters. So we need to convert this one into meters, and that is about 0.025 meters per minute. And now we have the formula in here. The height, that is about 2.5. This unit will go in here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.